If you're a student who wants to ace your classes and truly understand the material, you need to check out Haiper.ai, the ultimate learning companion. Haiper.ai is like having a personal tutor available 24/7, ready to assist you whenever you need help. It helps you understand tough subjects, prepares you for exams with tailored study plans, and even suggests fun and engaging ways to study, making learning enjoyable. With Haiper.ai, learning becomes exciting and easy, transforming your study routine. You can get quick answers to your questions, practice with interactive quizzes, and track your progress effortlessly. Imagine never feeling stuck on a homework problem again, as Haiper.ai can explain everything step by step. Haiper.ai provides clear, step-by-step explanations for all your questions. Plus, it adapts to your learning style, ensuring personalized and effective learning experiences, making sure you get the most out of your study time. So why wait to improve your grades and understanding? Discover the future of learning with Haiper.ai and start your journey to becoming a smarter, more confident student today. Sign up now and see the difference for yourself. Experience the power of Haiper.ai.